back, everybody. Apologize again for the delay on getting this video up. Between moving and everything else, it's been busy. But so this could be a quick video on the Silver State, which happened September. So we're about what, a little over a month and a half away from when we did it. First place again. So I just wanted everybody to know that, so I took first place in my division in May, and I took first place again in September in my division. So with two different navigators. My brother navigated in May, and my son was in September. So I don't know, is it the car? Is it the driver? I don't know. But this will be a quick little video, just kind of show you some little clips of the whole event. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw up a video of the entire thing, start to finish, 30, whatever the hell it is. And you can watch it from start to finish, the whole entire thing if you wanted to. Most people won't, because that's pretty long. I mean, it's a 30+ minute race. So, and then I'm going to throw up a video of the drive from Nevada all the way to Colorado. Some stunning scenery, and we did some good videos there, so I will throw that up as well. And then I've also got another video I'm going to throw up. I went to SEMA and I got to see the new Type 65 with a carbon fiber body up close, touched it, checked out the gaps. Pretty impressed. I'm actually very impressed. So I'll throw that up as well. So expect a few videos here, hopefully in pretty quick succession. But thanks again for watching. Enjoy the Silver State Classic 2025 September, and let this video get going. This is at the beginning of the race. During this part of the race, I'm going to do 160 to 165 miles an hour, trying to bank as much time as possible. That way when I get to the narrows, which you'll see coming up in a little bit, I can burn off a lot of that time and come out of the narrows spot on. Entering the narrows. This is the slowest part of the race, usually between 95 and 120 miles per hour, depending on where you're at in the course and what kind of car you're driving. So this is actually a very fun part of the road challenge, but pretty short. Approaching the finish line now. My son has given me the thumbs up sign, basically saying that you keep the speed. But as you can see, it's very hard to maintain. At one point he tells me 140 miles an hour, and it is very, very tough to maintain that. You let off that throttle just a little bit, and you're 138. You get out a little too much, you're 142. I don't know, maybe I need a downshift to 5th, so I have a little more engine control at that point. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll play with that in the next event. But yeah, so we finished the finish line, and he thought we were under second, which we were. We were down to about 2/10.
we did not go slow much at all. I mean, we were at 140, 145 a hell of a long time. I was sure we were way fast. I just trusted you.
Well, we were up like 35 seconds right before the Narrows. The Narrows lost a lot of time, and then we were doing 135 for a while after.
Okay. That was fun. Nice job.
So hope everybody enjoyed the video. Thanks again for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. As I said, when I will throw up the entire race, start to finish, unedited, uncut. You'll be able to see the whole entire thing. So thanks again, and we'll catch you on the next video.